Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video I will discuss what CouponBet really is. So if you are in the travel industry, you will notice that there's so much information you need to manage. There are so many things and bookings and everything you need to control and need to keep it in an easy to manageable place. CouponBet helps you to organize your travel agency. So why CouponBet? Well, CouponBet really came when I discovered that the travel agency is having a very hard time, and me as a travel agency as well. You need to know a lot of information. You need to know about the visas, you need to know about the terminal fees, the all kind of things. You need the operators, which operator, when the customer travels, the phone numbers, information, all kind of information. And it is very time consuming to search them on different places. And sometimes you forget something and it will be lost. So what happened is I figured out I need a system for myself to get myself organized, to help my travel agency organize. And I started to create one. And basically this is the system. CouponBet really is, well, at least in the early stages, it had things that really was necessary. And now the longer I use it, the more I realize and the more it starts to grow and improve. And this is really important because every travel agent know how much information you need to manage. You need to manage your booking information, and this is really what CouponBet does. It organizes and structures your booking information, your customer information, your agencies, and you know exactly which agency booked what and which operator. And finally, it has extra tools to help you serve your customers better. For example, searching for, well, let's show you. Here, you can see here, any booking you can retrieve within seconds. So it doesn't matter what booking it is. If you know the month, you can find the information here instantly. You can search here for any month what you want. You can figure it out and you get it. You can see here, I want John Chewy's phone number. Oh, it's smart. All right, I have the email address. I know when they travel, I know everything. I even know who booked it, which airline, which hotel operator, everything is in here. I can see our earnings, everything. And this is really done on purpose. Having this solves a lot of issues and helps your travel agency to grow easily. Same with the agents. Maybe you have more than one agent and you want to know who booked what. Well, first of all, once you make an agent, let the agent use the system with their account, and when they log in with their account, everything will be registered under their name and you will instantly see it. And finally, of course, you can see here also all the finances related to that, so you can easily track financial matters. And finally, these three are really the key items, is the tools. So you want to know maybe the airport terminal fee, you want to know the baggage fees or the baggage information. Do you need to know the travel tax, or do you need to know visa info, or maybe you want to know any phone provider. So maybe, well, let's see. What phone provider is 094 of 54? Okay, right? There's no information. What about 55? There you are. Globe. All this information you can find here instantly. And this is all designed to help you and your travel agents to help to serve your customers better. And that's really it. The goal of CouponBet really is how to structure your travel agency in a very fast and easy manner designed to help you to grow faster. So if you're interested in CouponBet, go to couponbet.com and register now. We have a forever free plan, so no need to worry. Just register and you can use it for free until you want.